Hello, garage store business owners. Welcome to the F16 Media Ltd channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So, if you are new here or you are been checking out our videos and you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. And why you should do it? Because we are always telling you that how you can get more leads for your garage door business or any other local service business. So we have posted a video about garage door business lead generation. Either you are doing garage door repairs, either you are doing garage door repairs plus installations, or just garage door installation in any area. And many garage door businesses right now still buy leads from other lead selling companies and Angelist and Craigslist and other marketplaces who sell leads. But this is 2022 and it's like 11th of December, and 2023 is gonna be in 20 days we started. So like still people are buying the leads and they're not doing any sort of branding and getting leads on their own, and that's quite weird because when you buy leads there is no returning customer, there is no social presence, there is no advertising on your own name. For example, there is a company like Alexander Garage Doors, for example, okay, and they're just buying leads from the lead company and they're not marketing on their own. Okay, they are making money, they are buying the leads, they are making money, no problem at all, but there is no social presence at what work they have done. Otherwise, when Alexander Garage or company is posting on social media and showing their work, that how they do garage door repairs, how they do garage door installations, they've got a complete different engagement. Why? Why? Because they have got proof, social proof for internet. Okay, and if they go and advertise on their page and target the area, like for example, if you are in Fort Lauderdale and you are targeting the nearby areas in Miami, okay, so people will be getting to know because whenever you spend like $40 or $50 a day, you reach up to 5,000 homeowners out there, okay, and out of that you get approximately 6, 5, 10 leads per day. So the point of this video is to show that how you can get consistent leads and appointments for your garage door business. And if you are still not running ads and if you are still not marketing your business on Facebook and social media, you're missing heck a lot of money out there. Like for example, here is the money, okay? Here is the money, and with the help of ads you just have to pick it up and book it into your pocket. It's stupid simple thing, it's that simple thing, but for that you need proper execution of the plan. You need proper strategies to follow because it's not that easy. If you run wrong advertising, you will just lose all of your money, and that's pretty simple. So today I'm going to show you that what actually you are missing out in terms of getting good leads and appointments for your garage door business. Let's hop on Google keyword first, that how many people are searching for garage door repairs and installation, and how is that possible to get you more jobs and leads. Just to show you, I'm not showing you like ads and stuff like that, I'm just showing you that how many people are searching for you but they're not able to come to you as you have no social presence. And I'll also tell you that what's the connection with the Google Keyword Planner and Facebook. So let's check on the screen. I'm sorry, there was an update and you have to follow that. Okay. So, United States, right? Save, garage door repair, garage door repair. Okay, so here it is like garage door repair near me. There are approximately 74,000 average monthly searches. Garage door repair 246,000 monthly searches. That's just how people are looking for you. And now, what's the connection? Okay, so for example, Facebook is it's very good. It's very crazy actually because for example, John saw that the garage door is not working. He called his wife and asked her that hey, garage door is not working. We need to call a company or something. Okay. Now Facebook algorithm is too quick and smart that they catch that what the person is saying. And when he opens a Facebook, he sees garage door ads. Or if he texts his wife or friend or anyone that hey, I need help with my garage or what should I do? Blah blah blah. So and the next thing he do is open Facebook, he sees the ad. Okay? And if your ad is good, if your ad is engaging and attracting the audience, he's gonna convert and send you a message or fill up the form for a lead. That's how the Facebook algorithm works. So the point of telling you is that if you are not aware about Facebook, I'm going to show you that doesn't matter wherever you are. I'm going to take the example for Miami right now. Okay. If I target the whole Miami, okay, including the Coral Springs and stuff, up to the West Palm Beach, all right. So I have approximately 5 million people in Miami who, who I can target. Okay, 5 million people, and this is what the opportunity looks like. This is what you need for your garage or business, and you are still not doing it maybe, or if you are doing, you're not getting good leads. So coming back to the point that if you are interested to get at least 100 quality leads, doesn't matter wherever you are in US, we gonna help you to get consistent leads from the homeowners who are looking for garage door repairs or installation or both services. So if you are looking for 100 leads in 1 month without you putting any of effort, and we F16 Media like me and my team will gonna work for you from A to Z to help you with your social media and lead generation with a proper funnel and targeting the right audience who actually need your services. So if you are looking to get the best leads out there for your garage door business, in the description we have our website link, our one-on-one free call link. You can speak directly to me. Yes. Book a call, pick a time, and when whatever time you pick, show up on the time, join with Google Meets, and yeah, we can hop on a call and check into your business at how we can grow your business with the help of right lead generation. Along with, you also have a WhatsApp number. If you just have to give a short call, you just give a call on the WhatsApp number given by +44. So I hope you like the video. Do share with the people who are in garage or business, or if you're a garage or business owner, come to us and we're gonna help you out with getting the best leads for your garage door business. You don't have to worry about, because no one is talking about garage door leads. And Facebook ads and social media ads got a lot of potential for your garage door business. Trust me, because we are already working and we have spent more than $20,000 on the advertising garage door businesses and generated more than $100,000 in revenue for garage door businesses. So what are you waiting for? Just come, book a one-on-one call, and we're gonna show you the live results we generated so far for our clients, and we're gonna offer you the best service ever. Until then, take care, bye bye, and yes, don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next video.